This book is called Leaves, Leaves, Leaves. And you can tell they're excited about playing in the leaves because they have what at the end of each of these words? Exclamation points. Good. Have you played outside in the leaves yet this year? If you haven't, now is a good time. Maybe you can help your mom rake leaves or your dad. Look at all these leaves. This reminds me of the of our calendar lesson where we got to talk about which leaf didn't belong. These are beautiful. They're all green. Leaves, leaves, leaves. Leaves, leaves, leaves. Spring. It's spring, said Mama. Would you like to go on a leaf walk, Buddy Bear? Yes, said Buddy. I like to find leaves. Okay, can you find the exclamation point on this page? There it is. Mama's excited that it's spring. She must be tired of snow. The early spring air felt warm. The earth was cool and damp. Where are the leaves, Mama? Asked Buddy. Where do you think the leaves are? At the end of winter? Mama tugged gently on a branch. Look carefully. What do you see? I see bumps. Those are buds, said Mama. Buddy touched a bud. The new leaves are folded up very tightly inside. The bud scales protect the leaves, and when the bud scales open, the young leaves will start to unfold. Ooh, that's so cool. Like this? Asked Buddy. Yes, my little bud. They walked further on. The sun felt warm and nice. How many periods do you see on this page? Remember last week we talked about statements. When you're telling someone something, you use a period at the end. I see 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 sentences on this page. Buddy picked a leaf. What do you see? Mama asked. I see this flat part. That's the blade. So this is the blade. I see lines. Those are the veins. That's where they drink water and take in nutrients from. The part I'm holding is the stem, said Buddy. How do leaves know when it's time to come out, Mama? It's spring. The daylight hours are growing longer. The spring rain has been falling. The weather is getting warmer. It's time for the leaves to come out and start making food for the trees, she answered. Food! I'm hungry too, said Buddy. Let's eat. Okay. They're doing a lot of talking on this page, but there's one thing that Buddy is excited about. What can you tell he is excited about? Food! I can tell he's excited about food because there's an exclamation point there. And he said, let's eat! And there's an exclamation point there because he's excited about eating. Okay, here they are. They're getting ready for their picnic. They ate crackers and drank juice. Mama, what did the big leaf say to the little leaf? What? Don't leave me. Mama laughed. Summer. It's summer, said Mama. Would you like to go on a leaf walk, Buddy Bear? Yes, said Buddy. I want to find lots of leaves. Okay, what are they excited about now on this page? Right, here's the exclamation point. So Mama is excited about summer and Buddy's excited about going on a leaf walk, right? He's like, yes, I want to go on a leaf walk. The summer air felt hot. Mama and Buddy put down their blankets at the edge of the woods. Mama, go look for some leaves. I'll look for some too, said Buddy. First, they spread Buddy's leaves on the blanket. What do you see? Asked Mama. I see shapes, said Buddy. One looks like a star. Can you find the one that looks like a star? There's kind of a round one and a skinny one that looks like a feather. One leaf looks like a mitten, and one looks like a fan. Can you find all those leaves? Which one looks like a mitten, and a fan, and a feather? Leaves have different edges, Buddy, said Mama. Look at mine. Do you see a leaf that's jagged and one that has edges like a saw? Yes, said Buddy, and I see a wavy one and one that's smooth. I'm still looking, said Buddy. All the leaves have something the same. What's that, Buddy? What do you see about these leaves that's the same? They're all green. Why, Mama? They're green because of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll? What's that? Asked Buddy. Mama started to draw a picture on Buddy's drawing pad. She explained, it's a chemical that's on the leaves in the leaves in spring and in summer. Chlorophyll helps the leaves turn sunlight and rain and part of the air and nutrients from the soil into food for the plant. How? Asked Buddy. When we breathe out a gas called carbon dioxide, and the tree takes this gas in through teeny tiny openings in its leaves. Buddy breathed into his paws. He looked. I don't see any carbon dioxide. You're right, said Mama. It's invisible. Mama kept drawing. Buddy helped. Rainwater and nutrients travel from the earth into the roots, up the trunk, through the branches, through the stems, and into the leaves. The sun shines on the leaves, and the chlorophyll in the leaves, and the water and nutrients that come from the earth, and the carbon dioxide that comes from the air made the food that travels to all the parts of the tree. The leaves are making food. I'm hungry, said Buddy. Let's eat. They ate berries and drank lemonade. I'm a leaf, Mama. I'm sucking the water and the nutrients up, up, up. Mama? Yes, Buddy. What did the tree take on vacation? What? A trunk! Buddy laughed. Fall. It's fall, said Mama. Would you like to take another walk and collect leaves, Buddy Bear? I like collecting leaves, said Buddy. Did you know it's fall right now? Okay, Mama's excited on this page. Can you find the exclamation point where she was excited? Right at the beginning, it's fall. Notice they don't have a whole bunch of exclamation points all on the same page. Okay, the air was cool and crisp, and the leaves crunched under their feet, and Buddy yelled, red, orange, yellow, leaves. I can just hear him throwing those crunchy leaves up in the air. Why did the leaves change, Mama? In the fall, there are fewer daylight hours, so there is less sunlight. The ground and air are colder. The chlorophyll that made the leaves green is disappearing. The yellow and orange that had been there all the time can now be seen. What about red? Asked Buddy. The red is made from leftover food in the leaves, explained Mama. Ooh, I like red leaves. They're so pretty. Yellow ones are gorgeous too. Hold my hands, Buddy Bear, said Mama. I'm a tree and you're a leaf. When the leaves are new and young, they are connected to the tree. In spring and summer, in the wind, in the rain, by fall the leaves are old and they have done their job. Do you remember what the job of a leaf is? They collect sunlight. They collect rain. Now, leaf, hold on by one finger. What will happen, leaf, when it rains? When the wind blows? I'm falling! I'll fall! Shouted Buddy. I think that's why this season is called fall, Mama. I'm hungry. Let's eat. That bear is always hungry. I see 2 exclamation points on this page. It's fall and let's eat. They sat on the rock and ate apples and drank apple juice. Mama? Yes, Buddy. What has bark but does not bite? What? A tree. Mama giggled. Winter. That's our next season. It's winter, said Mama Bear. Let's go for a leaf walk, shouted Buddy. The winter air was cold and dry, and the earth was covered with snow. High up in a tree, a few pale brown leaves still held on. They rustled in the wind. The leaves are almost gone, Mama. Look at him, he's all excited. The leaves are resting, said Mama. In their roots, food is stored for winter. The leaves that fell in the fall are under the snow. Buddy found a leaf. Look, Mama, this leaf has brown veins and lots of holes. Do you remember what the veins were for? Sucking up the nutrients and moving the water through the tree. Yes, Buddy, the leaves are rotting. The food that's left on them is changing into rich earth that will feed the trees and the plants through their roots. Yeah, we like to compost our leaves and use them. They turn into dirt. Mama pulled gently on a branch. What do you see? Buds, shouted Buddy. Yes, my winter buddy. They're waiting for spring. He was excited to find buds. I know he was excited because of this. What is this called again? An exclamation point. It's getting cold. Let's go inside. I'm getting hungry, said Buddy. Let's go eat. Mama and Buddy ate some soup. Mama? Yes, Buddy. What did the tree say to the bear cub in winter? What? I'm bear. You're bear. Mama chuckled. Then while the trees rested, Mama and Buddy rested too. So now I want you to take out your journal. You can push pause if you need a break. And when you get your journal, you are going to write your name at the top. You're going to write today's date. Today is the first day of October. October is the 10th month. It's the first day, and it's the year 2020. And you're going to write some things that you are excited about in fall. It's fall time right now. What makes you happy about fall time? So these are the sentences that I came up with. It is fall. I love red leaves. Yellow leaves are pretty too. So notice not all of my sentences have exclamation points, but if you're talking about a whole bunch of things you're really excited about, you could put exclamation points on all of them. But usually when people are writing stories like the one we just read, they don't use a lot of exclamation points all at the same time. But if you're talking about something you're really excited about, you could. So make sure your illustration goes right here and that it matches what your story is about, what you're excited about, and take a picture so your teacher can see and do your very best work, please.